Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Amit, your host for this episode. So in this video, we'll talk about some of the important soft skills that you need to have if you want to get started in IT. You know, these skills are not only crucial for landing your first IT job, but also it will help you to thrive in any future roles that you take. So without further delay, let's get started. Well, in IT world, you will not just be working with tools and technologies. You will also be dealing and working with people. And when it comes to working with people, the most important things that you need to have are soft skills. So talking about the soft skills, the first on my list is effective communication skills. We all know that effective communication is the foundation of success in any profession, and especially in IT. You know, as a newcomer in IT industry, you will not just be dealing with technical people. You'll find yourself interacting with various stakeholders, including your clients, team members, or end users. And not necessarily they all are technical people. So being able to convey that complex IT information in very concise and clear manner is very vital. And that's where your effective communication skills become very important. So let's look at some of the practical example how an effective communication skill can be a game changer in your IT career. Let's say, for example, you need to discuss a project with the team and you need to articulate your ideas clearly to ensure that everyone is on the same page. And it could be through a verbal communication such as presentation or through a written documentation. But using simple analogy and visual aids can make it easier for non-technical team members to grasp that technical concept. Again, for example, if you're working as an IT support engineer and you may receive calls from a frustrated user who is having some IT or software related issue, and in that instance, your ability to patiently listen to their concerns, ask follow-up questions, and use non-technical language to guide them through troubleshooting steps will greatly enhance their user experience. And that is the reason why an effective communication skill is very important in IT. So number 2 on my list is customer service skill. I must say, customer service skills are one of the most important skills that you need to have if you are working as an IT professional. Especially if you are starting with IT help desk or IT support role, customer service skill is very important. Often you'll interact with the end users and client who requires technical support. So providing that exceptional service can enhance the user satisfaction and help you build that stronger relationship. For example, if you're working as an IT help desk technician and you receive a call from a user who accidentally deleted all the important files from their computer. So in this case, instead of simply restoring the file and closing the case, what you can do is you can take an extra step to educate the user on a data backup best practices. So by doing that, it will empower the end user to prevent any sort of issue from happening in the future. So by offering an exceptional support, being patient in answering their questions and providing a follow-up guide will make your client feel more supported and valued. Taking that extra step will not only resolve an immediate issue, but also help you build a stronger relationship with the customer. And it has multiple benefits for you as well. Like for example, faster career progression, better salary, and better recognition from your employer. Okay, now number 3 on my list is problem solving skills. So as an IT professional, you'll encounter various challenges, both technical and logical. So having that strong problem solving mindset is a must. An employer always value individuals who can identify issues, analyze them critically, and find an effective solution. So the bottom line here is that if you see the problem, then you must act for it. That's a problem solving mindset that you need to have. For example, if you're working as a junior cybersecurity analyst and you noticed a potential security vulnerability in your company's network. In this instance, what you can do is you can use your analytical skills to assess the risk, propose some mitigation strategy, and implement necessary security measures to protect sensitive information and patch that vulnerability. Also, as an IT professional, sometimes you will notice problems that go beyond your knowledge scope. And in those instances, having that problem-solving mindset will lead you to notify the responsible parties and prevent some potential major incident from happening. And this proactive approach is highly valued in IT industry. Alright, next on my list is adaptability and continuous learning. So in the fast-paced world of IT, adaptability is key. Technology evolves rapidly and new tools and methodology emerges frequently as well. So as a newcomer in IT industry, being open to change and continuous learning will definitely help you stay ahead of the curve. So by staying up to date with the latest trends and technology and acquiring new skills will help you keep relevant and in demand. So being curious is another important skill that you need to have. Just try learning new things every day. Like even after securing your first IT job, don't just stop there. Like take an advantage of any in-house IT training programs that has been provided to you, or like seek mentorship from your experienced colleague and pursue certifications in emerging domains of technology to broaden your skill set. So by embracing the change and continuous learning will ensure your skills remain relevant throughout the career. And in IT, you'll often come across to a situation where you have to work with tools and technology that you are not familiar with. So in this instance, instead of feeling overwhelmed, see this as an opportunity to expand your skill set. Adapting with the change and quickly learning about new technology will make you a versatile IT professional. Number 5 on my list is time management and organizational skills. I've combined those together. So time management and organizational skills are very crucial in IT. You'll often juggle between multiple tasks and projects throughout your day-to-day work. So being able to prioritize, plan and execute them efficiently will help you meet your deadlines and maintain that productivity. And here's how an effective time management and organizational skills can make you more efficient in your IT career. Like for example, imagine you are tasked with upgrading the company's server while simultaneously providing technical support to the end user, like a typical day for any IT engineer. So in this situation, by creating a schedule, breaking down the task and allocating the time for each activity, you can ensure that the server upgrade doesn't disrupt the user workflow. And this is where your organizational skills shines. And by setting clear mindset, tracking your progress, identifying potential delays, and taking proactive measures will help you complete the task on time. This is where your time management skill comes very handy. And applying discipline to your day-to-day activities, both in personal and professional life, will help you develop these skills. And this will not only benefit your IT career, but also enhances your overall efficiency and work-life balance. Well, last but not the least on my list is teamwork and collaboration skills. Well, in IT, you will rarely work alone. Oftentimes you will collaborate with your colleague in various situations, such as working in a project together or resolving a case together for a customer. So here's how being a team player and an excellent collaborator can help you succeed in your IT journey. For example, if you notice your team member is struggling in certain tasks, by offering your assistance, sharing your resource, and working together to overcome the obstacles will lead to a successful completion of a task or a project within the required deadline. And that collaborative approach will foster the positive and supportive work environment, making the team more efficient and effective. And that is the reason why in IT, teamwork and collaboration skills are very crucial. As IT team often requires different expertise to come together, so being able to work within a team and collaborate effectively with your team members will play a significant role in the success of a team as a whole. Well, we've come to the end of this video now. I hope you guys have got some level of understanding why soft skills are very important, especially if you are starting in IT. Remember, in IT world, having that technical skill is very important, but mastering these soft skills will definitely set you apart in this very competitive IT job market. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I wish you all the very best on your IT journey, and I will see you in next video. Until then, take care.